Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing another one of those scam sites that give out free Robux. So as you can see, we're going to be reviewing blocksforge.com. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I would say it's quite different from one of those scam sites since it doesn't have the same layout, and they actually put a bit of effort into this. However, a site that gives out free Robux is quite indeed a scam site. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. They claim to use scripts. So as you can see, you can choose out scripts here. Delta Executor, I don't know what that is. Into Robux tool. So if you click on that, it will load up this game right here. So as you can see, you just enter in your Roblox ID. So please guys, do not enter in your Roblox ID. It is another one of those phishing techniques that they use. And as you can see, we have it here opened up on malwaretips.com. They basically expose the free Robux scam. So as you can see, they go over how the scam works. So scam sites like blocksforge.com are advertised through social media ads, fake posts on forums and Discord servers, and other means. They target Roblox players with the lure of free Robux. So as you can see, how the Roblox Forge or Blocksforge Robux scam works, advertising the free Robux offer, prompting users to input Robux ID, and a lot more. So please guys, do not enter in anything into this site, especially your credit card or your parents' card information, since the target of these websites are young children. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.